Ian Sawkins, Boatshed, Scotland. Here we are, we're on deck and the rain's just started and the forecast wasn't for rain. However, still determined to take this video and show you what the boat's like, and if the weather ever changes I'll update it. But you can see the cockpit. I've photographed the cockpit table. You've got the dual helm position, both with the compasses, humongous winches, and we've got an electric winch over there. And if we look forward, now this spray hood, there is a new one. This is the old one, and there's a new one due to be fitted. And we can see the sail bag. Sails are beautifully flaked. I've got a picture of that. Just moving forward. You can see the deck. He's got a Hank-on baby sail there, which apparently he goose wings with the main Genoa downwind. Says it works a treat.